Are we going to hit $65,000 for Bitcoin and see the price moon? Or are we going to see $65,000 and see another scenario? I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to the channel. I'm your host, the BitBoy. Today I am here in Singapore. Cassie, the Duchess of DeFi, and myself have been here for Token 2049. We went hovered around the gates of Breakpoint. I don't know if you guys heard, but I got a big announcement. We'll play that here in just a little bit. Something that's very exciting for the community, and another step forward for the true Sultan of Solana. But what I want to talk about today, we're going to be doing two videos on Bitcoin, what it's about to do, because people need to understand. You are so fortunate for watching this video because you are going to be prepared with some information that most people are not able to get. And that information is what's going to happen in crypto directly from CryptoFace himself. I spoke with CryptoFace today, and I said, you still bearish? You still bearish, right? Because I mean, look, Bitcoin's above 62, was above 63. It hit this almost 64, or went slightly above 64, one or the other, and that's good news. And I said, are you still bearish? And he said, yeah, until we hit 65,000. So that right there is what you need to be watching. Are we going to hit $65,000 for Bitcoin and see the price moon? Or are we going to see $65,000 and see another scenario? So we have two scenarios here, really. One of these scenarios is we hit 65,000, we break it, and we go up and we head back towards all-time highs. We're bullish again, we're heading back that way. Maybe not immediately, we may have some dumps, but basically we will be stepping up after that point. The other thing that could occur is we could see Bitcoin hit 65,000 and then get rejected. And if that happens, then I think you should expect to see Bitcoin go back down, maybe somewhere even in the mid 50s, and then pop back up. It's going to stair step. Some exchanges we saw 52,500 or so for this last local low. The one before that, of course, we know was $48,600. So it's stair stepping up. So if it does go back down and it hits $56,000 or so, it will go back up. And I still believe it will be by the end of Q4. But I think the more likely scenario is, I do think, guys, things are about to get real bullish. We got altcoins, so many of these altcoins right on the precipice of just exploding. We've seen Sui. You guys know the Sui princess. She loves her Sui. She loves her Mistin Labs. And, we got to go to a really cool Sui party here at Marquee here in Singapore. So we did some really awesome stuff while we were here. Met with Akash Network, the team from that project. And let me tell you, super bullish on that one. Can't wait to tell you more. But overall, the thing is that it's just, there's too much bullishness right now, guys. There's too much bullishness coming. In the next video that I'm gonna make, maybe we'll have Cassie join us for the next one, is we're gonna talk about what's going to happen if Bitcoin does something by the end of September. And if this happens, let me tell you, go pack your bags immediately, because we are heading not just to the moon. Guys, let's just start heading past the solar system. There's lots of galaxies out there. Let's just go to a new galaxy. Let's go to a different moon, different solar system, different galaxy this time. And they're speaking of long distances, tall things. I don't know if you guys heard, but your guy BitBoy will be taking on Ansem in Dubai for Crypto Fight Night on December 6th.
If you were in the ring right now, who would you fight?
I heard this guy Ansem call me out a little bit earlier. I saw him. He's a real tall dude. He's got a lot of height, but he's got a little tiny bit of heart. Certainly wouldn't mind getting in and slapping him around a little bit.
Who would you be fighting?
Probably BitLoy, bro. I don't like
Probably who?
BitLoy, bro.
If you missed the announcement, we'll go ahead and play that here in just a second to close the video. We'll end it before my awkward dance. I had to do it. He looked at me and he started dancing. I needed this guy to know I can mirror what you do. Look, you can't intimidate me. Oh, you're a tall black man that obviously has a lot of rhythm and a lot of skill. Not for fighting, but maybe for doing other things. And look, I'm a white guy. I'm 1 inch taller than the average male American. And I just felt like I had to bust it out. So we're not going to see that. You're going to have to go see that on Twitter. But the point is we are going to be fighting. Here is a little bit about the announcement, and can't wait to see you guys there. We're going to knock them out.
You are watching this right now, folks. CFN Dubai, December 6th. Your main event, Ansem versus BitBoy. This is a main event you don't want to miss, folks. Once again, Crypto Fight Night Dubai, December 6th. Get ready, it's gonna be wild.